Hello everyone, welcome to the tutorial. So today we are going to look at the very basic concept in Python, that is indentation. Structuring the Python code is done with indentation and colon. So what is indentation? For indentation we need to understand the term block. What is a block? Let's look at this with an example. Here I have written some piece of code in Python. So here it is printing just print hello, a hello world. I have defined a variable called interested as true. Here I am giving one block, if statement. If interested means if true, it is taking the value of interested is true. If true, then execute these lines of code. So these lines are nothing but a single block. Whenever we define a block, we have to make an indentation for all the statements in the block. The indentation must be same. So indentation is nothing but the space before the statement. These spaces, you can see the highlighted one in the blue color in the screen. So these are the 4 spaces and this is called indentation. So the number of statements we are going to write inside this block must have the same number of spaces as these 2 statements, like the 4 spaces must be there. So these 4 spaces are nothing but indentation. So by default Python uses 4 spaces as indentation. You can do it to 2 space like this. You can do it to 2 spaces as well, but the preferable is 4 space. If we do like only 2 spaces for indentation, so it will give us a kind of warning here. Indentation is not a multiple of 4. You can see here indentation is not a multiple of 4. So it should be multiple of 4, but it will still work. It will print the required output. So we will go with 4 spaces as indentation.